In the previous lesson, we learned how these adverbs are used in both past simple and present perfect to indicate a time up to now, and that it's better to focus on learning them than always trying to figure out whether to use the past simple or present perfect tense. In today's lesson, we're going to focus on for and since. I'm going to use the present perfect because it's the correct tense to use in this context, especially in writing. If you are a new employee who just joined a company, when you meet new colleagues, the first thing you want to know after their names is how long they have been working at the company. For 3 years, since 2019. Both of these adverbs explain how long they have worked at the company. For and since explain how long something has been happening. So it's important to learn this expression. How long have you? So let's say this is 2022. That means they have worked at the company for the same period of time. Though they mean the same, you can't use them interchangeably. Using the wrong one is a mistake. We use for plus a period of time. Focus is on the period of time, from one point to now. Examples. We use since plus a point in time. Focus is a point in time, when the action happened. Examples. It's important to know that we do not use for with all day or all the time. I have been there all day, not for all day. That's one. The second point I should mention is that for can be used with all tenses, whereas since is normally only used with perfect tenses.